Sir, over the weekend, si Chavit Singson joined your party, the party of which you're chairman, the National People's Coalition. And of course, Chavit is very well known to be a close advisor and good friend of Senator Pacquiao. Well, obviously, a lot of people are asking, is Chavit laying the groundwork for Manny Pacquiao to also join the NPC and possibly run for president under the NPC?
I was not surprised to hear that from people. Na makakala nila parang opening lang si Chavit. Ano, but really, very bluntly, we never discussed Manny Pacquiao. We never talked about him. When we talked a few months ago, when he was trying to get the pulse of the different organizations, different political parties, tapos nung kausap niya ako, interesado siya sa NPC because the founder is a friend of his, you know. And then sabi ko nga, I never realized na wala siyang political party, national political party. Meron siya sa local nila, sa Ilocos Sur. So I said, of course, if you want to join the NPC, you will be most welcome. And then Wednesday, 3 days before he took his oath, he called me that night and he was, actually that night, pagtawag niya sa akin, ang balat na niya, pare, sumpa na ako sa'yo. Sabi ko, teka muna. Tawagan natin yung grupo ko. Sabi ko, Secretary General namin, iba namin. So we set it Saturday, and even during the time that we were there, we had breakfast before the oath taking. We did discuss it. We talked about the local politics. We talked about, I think he's going to run for governor. I don't know. You can ask him that, but that's, I think, yun ang tingin kong plano niya.
But if you don't mind, it's a bit, parang, kagaya nga po nito, no? Pinakilala ni Ed si Chavit Singson, and immediately all Filipinos, that's the one thing they know about him and his political, kay Manny Pacquiao yan, advisor yan ni Manny Pacquiao, malapit niya kay Manny Pacquiao. And so, it just seems that, given yung tema na lahat ngayon, at pagka binanggit si Manny Pacquiao ngayon, it's always in the context of the 2022 elections. Hindi man lang pumasok sa isip niya na, teka muna, Congressman Singson, ano bang pakay mo, and for that matter, ano bang alam nyo sa pakay ni Senator Pacquiao?
Hindi. So, I'm sorry, Robbie, really, hindi, ewan ko, it didn't cross my mind. Siguro because of our long-time friendship, ako pa nga ang tinanong niya. Sabi nga niya, basta tumuloy ka, sabi niya, solid, ang Ilocos Sur, solid sa'yo, ganun lang. I am trying to recall that morning na nagbe-breakfast kami. Baka napag-usapan lang namin yung mga gustong tumakbo, something like that. He never mentioned it. You can ask him. And you can ask those who were with us, Gigi Agabao of Isabela, Dom Mendoza, the Secretary General of the House of Representatives. I don't recall him saying anything about the money or presidential, ano lang eh. Parang
sige pa.
napag-usapan lang namin sino yung mga possibly tumakbo.
Apo,
Pero yung submarine na pag-usapan?
Ha?
Yung submarine na pag-usapan?
Alin doon? Sorry?
Yung submarine na pag-usapan ba?
Hindi, matagal mo na nakita yun. Luma na yun.